All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the final project video on how to create something in Piskel and to save it. That's the big question that I'm getting right now. So I'm going to go ahead and answer that. Thank you, Mario, for making an appearance. I'm going to go to piskel.com. That is not it. So we're going to Google Piskel. Free online sprite editor. That is it. So let's just create a sprite. And so let's say I make a smiley face. So I'm going to drag in a circle. Let's try to center this. There we go. That will be a perfect circle. Center it. You can go get a paint can. You can go get some yellow. Brighter yellow. 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 We're going to paint that yellow. And then we're going to go ahead and go back to our pencils. And you're going to go back to black. And we're going to give him a little eye. I spy with my little eye. Oh, I'm sorry, I digressed. We'll put a little nose in there. Okay. And we could do a little smiley face. Okay. How's that look? Does that look like a smiley face? Kind of need some braces down here. Okay. That is awful. What's this? Lasso tool. Select it. Drag it. So if I hit Control Z, what happens here? There we go. So I'm going to try to do a little, maybe I'll do a perfect circle or something. All right, that looks a little better. Now it looks like he's frowning a little bit, but oh well. So that's my smiley face. So now I want to save this guy, put him in my app. Are you with me? So what you do is you come over here to the little disk. Do you see the little floppy diskette over here on the right? It says save. Okay. And then there's resize, there's save, there's export, and then there's import. Importing, you guys know what importing is, right? You guys can, if you had an image like Mario or something, you want to import it here and then add stuff to it, you could do that. So do we want to save or export? No. Export. We always want to export to our computer because right now we're working on a server. Are you guys with me? And if you save it, you're going to save it on the server, which is cool if that's what you want, but you're not going to have it on your computer, and you can't upload it to your app. Are you with me? So you got to get it just like we go out to the internet. It's all on a server, right? When you go out to the internet. So you got to go to the internet, you got to save the picture down to your computer, you put it into your file folder, and then from your file folder, you put it into your app. Thumbs up if you're with me on that. Same thing here. I have it on the server. Now you're going to go export. And now what do you want to export it as? Do you want to download it as a 32 by 32 one frame? Do you want to open the XP and export it in your browser? Export from Pixie.js movie. So we just want to go download here. Okay, so I'm going to download it. And here it is, my new Piskel right there. So I'm going to go show in folder. And there it is. See my guy? I'm going to go right click. I'm going to copy this guy. And I'm going to throw him in my final projects folder because I'm smart. Okay. I go to my documents. I go to 16. I go to quarter 4. I go final project. And I'm going to go paste. And there he is. Okay. And it's a PNG. Now I have it in my file folders. Everybody see how I did that? I got it out of my downloads. I put it in my file folder, so now I know where it is. Now I can go right here and say, hello, Mario. You're going to disappear. Okay, and you're going to go back to your documents. 16, 17, quarter 4, final project. There he is. What do you see? Does that look like the guy I just made? Yes. I hit open, and now he's in my app. I just created a sprite, and now that sprite's in my app, and now I can make my smiley face dance and sing. All right, so that's how you create a sprite in GIMP, or I'm sorry, in Piskel, and that's how you don't save it, but you export it to your file folder, and then you import it into your app. So I just verified right there that works. Happy coding, keep calm, and code on.